Hi, mga kababayan ko, Pilipino. Nasaan man kayo ngayon or wherever you are, my friends, countrymen, relatives, and of course, Malaysian friends. I would like to inform you that at the moment, nandito po ako sa Kota Kinabalu town area, no? Wherein, yes, a lot of people are preparing for the, sabihin natin, Chinese New Year or Tamu Bazaar, organized by the Kota Kinabalu Municipal Council. Now, this is a yearly event. This is a yearly event wherein before the grand celebration, we call it the Chinese New Year or the coming of the year of the snake, no, 2025. Now, 2 days before the grand event or celebration, normally the Chinese community will be organizing or will organize what we call a Tamu Bazaar dito po sa Malaysia, or Grand Night Market, Chinese New Year Grand Night Market. And today, at exactly, what time now? At exactly 8:55, nandito po ako. I'm here at the town area, at the heart of Kota Kinabalu City, and I will show to you, my dear friends, kababayan ko, be it in Malaysia or here in Sabah, or particularly in Kota Kinabalu City, be it here or you are any part in Malaysia, and of course our kababayan, friends and relatives who are in the Philippines, and of course OFWs, overseas Filipino workers in other parts in the world, ang iba-ibang countries sila po. I just want to show you kung paano tayo nagse-celebrate ang welcoming of the Chinese New Year. Welcoming of the Chinese New Year dito po sa Kota Kinabalu. And yeah, nandito ako at the background. You can see a lot of people already. And despite the heavy downpour kanina, no? Around what time was it? Around 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. Now, despite of the heavy rain, now still a lot of people are crowding in this area and doing their last minute marketing po, no? This is the time we're in before the Chinese New Year. Now, before the eve of Chinese New Year, this is the time wherein you can do your 11-hour marketing po, because tomorrow, eve of Chinese New Year, now all the public markets now will be closed, and especially operators or businesswomen operating outlets in public markets, especially the Chinese one, they are not going to operate, or they are not going to do business. So this is the reason why you can see a lot of people now doing the last minute marketing sa Cavite po. And yeah, it's cool, chilling now, because kanina we experienced rain, no? Heavy rain, but now wala na po. Okay na po. And yeah, I will bring you in. And I hope you will be able to get a picture on how we dito po sa Kota Kinabalu welcome or celebrate or prepare the coming of the year of the snake, and that is Chinese New Year 2025. Kong Si Fa Chai. See heavy traffic po, no? Heavy traffic. And of course, you can see a lot of not only Malaysians, Chinese Malaysians, and locals also, but you can also see a lot of tourists, no? Visiting this area. So okay, let's start. A lot of things that you can buy here, from 5 o'clock in the evening, this afternoon, until it will go on until dawn, later this morning. And of course, yes, you can see tourists from I think, if I'm not mistaken, tourists coming from China, Korea. They are enjoying mga local fruits natin dito po. Yes, okay, I would like to shout out also to Merilo Pentojo, who is watching this special report ko po, no? Dito sa Kota Kinabalu. From here, You can see we have a lot of different kinds of fruits. Different kinds of fruits. Okay, yes, different kinds of people, nationalities also who are here now doing the last minute, sabihin natin, last minute marketing for the Chinese New Year. We have fruits, slippers, and it will go on until later or until early in the morning, early in the morning, or even until 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, tomorrow. Okay, we go slowly. I just want to show you different kinds of people here. We have a lot of tourists, visiting this area, especially our Chinese visitors coming from Korea, coming from China, from Taiwan, and other places po. And of course, we have our domestic or local tourists coming from different parts of Malaysia, West Malaysia. So Chinese New Year, the big event will be on January 29. January 29, the first day of Chinese New Year, first day of Chinese New Year. And how do we celebrate? How we people in Sabah or the Sabahans celebrate Chinese New Year? Okay, the first day will be January 29. First day, hello, Kong Si Fa Chai. All right, okay. So the first day will be January 1st, January 29. Okay. All right, so this is it. So this is how people in Sabah, in Kota Kinabalu, the spirit of Chinese New Year is very high dito po, especially in this particular area wherein you see, the last minute marketing po, sa gabi ito po, sa gabi. Different kinds of items being sold here, and of course with a very discounted prices po. And of course, if you want to eat, you want to drink, take some local snacks, po, then you can do it here in this Tamu Bazaar. We call it Tamu Bazaar. Night market, special night market for the year of the snake. All right, let's move on. And of course, I'm just passing by Anjung Kinabalu. Anjung Kinabalu is if you want to eat something, all right, rice, local food, local dishes, this is the place where you can enjoy delicious delicacies, Malaysian delicacies. All right. Okay, we are live now in the YouTube, in the channel of Nick Talk, the Real Talk with Nico. And what I'm showing you now is the yearly Tamu Bazaar Chinese New Year 2025, organized by the Kota Kinabalu Municipal Council. Hundreds, thousands of people are here now. And the crowd continue to grow, and of course this will be until in the morning, tomorrow morning. See? And luckily the rain stopped, and yeah. All right, we go slowly. And yeah, all right. And normally, for your information, no? Now, when we celebrate Chinese New Year in Malaysia, normally the first day, that is January 29. Now, normally, it is a tradition for the celebrants to organize open houses. What does it mean, open houses? It means the first day, relatives will be invited. Sa bahay nila po. Sa bahay nila. And yes, they will be having bonding. And of course, all the relatives. It's a family reunion celebration. First day. And that will be January 29. That will be on Wednesday. On Wednesday. Now, on the second day, the celebration continues. And this time, some of the celebrant Chinese people, they will also organize open houses. And this time around, on the second day, the open houses will be meant for friends and other relatives. That is the second day. And on the third day, the celebration still continue. Will still continue. And for your information, when we talk about the Chinese New Year in Malaysia, now this celebration is a long celebration. It is a 15-day celebration po. That's why you see, starting this week, Monday, today is Monday, January 27. Tomorrow is Tuesday, the eve of Chinese New Year. Now you can see, offices will be closed. Offices will be closed. Private companies, they are going to give a holiday to their workers or to their employees. Normally, it will be the first and second day of Chinese New Year. First and second day of Chinese New Year. But it will continue because Chinese New Year will be Wednesday. So we expect that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it will continue until Saturday and Sunday. It's a long holiday for the Malaysians. For the Malaysians. And the celebration will continue. Celebration will continue until the 15th day. From January 29 until the 15th day. And the culmination of the celebration, of Chinese New Year celebration, will end on the 15th day, and we call it Chap Gome. Alright? Chap Gome. Alright? You can see our visitors. Alright? Okay. Okay. You hold on. Long way to go. Long way to go. A lot of people. Okay. So, as what I said, Chinese New Year, the culmination of the Chinese New Year celebration will be the Chap Gome. And from tomorrow onwards, in fact, it already started last week, we can see the performance of lion dances. Lion dances. Right? Yeah, the spirit is really Chinese New Year. And if I'm not mistaken, I think the same atmosphere that you can also experience in Manila. Let's talk about Manila. Particularly in the Chinatown in Binondo. Yeah, because last month I was, or early this month, I went to the Philippines, and I purposely visited Chinatown or Binondo. And I saw that, of course, the spirit of Chinese New Year is also po, nandyan din po sa Maynila. Sa Binondo area. Alright? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Chicken wings. We have chicken wings. We have corn. And of course, you can see tourists. You can see a lot of tourists in this area. Luckily, the weather is good now. Rain stopped. It started around, what time? It started around 5. And the rain stopped around 8 o'clock in the evening. And now, people are crowding in this area. We have different kind of visitors in this area. And of course, we have roasted chicken here. Very famous in Sabah. And of course, in Philippines, we call it lechon manok. Alright? Lechon manok po. Alright? Sampai jam berapa kamu sini? Jam 1. Alright, okay. Terima kasih. Now, at my side, this is the Kota Kinabalu Public Market. See po, closed. And it's closed. Surprisingly, I did not hear any Chinese song. Huh? Chinese New Year song. Alright. Anyway, you see our visitors, tourists in Sabah. Alright. Alright. So, this is it? Food?
Yeah, takoyaki. Takoyaki. Original spicy mayo and we have a donut, French fries, bakso.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. And yeah, see tourists left and right enjoying the holiday in Kota Kinabalu. This is lamb. This is lamb. Alright. Alright, let's move on. And yeah, I'm trying to look some Chinese decor here. Let's see. I hope you're enjoying to our late tuners in my program, Nick Talk, the Real Talk with Rico. For your information, nandito po ako ngayon sa Kota Kinabalu City, the heart of Kota Kinabalu City, and I am featuring, I'm showing you, this is what we call satay in Malay. We have satay lamb, we have beef, and we also have chicken. We also have chicken. Very famous. Famous po talaga itong satay. Alright. Yeah, as what I was mentioning earlier, for the late tuners or comers in my program, just want to inform you that I am now here, live po at the heart of Kota Kinabalu City, and showing you ang Tamu Bazaar or Grand Night Market, night market for the Chinese New Year 2025 celebration. It means night market po. This will be the last day for public markets dito po sa Kota Kinabalu to be open. Tomorrow, when you wake up, when people will wake up here, lahat po ang public market natin po dito sa Sabah or entire Malaysia. Now, they are going no business po. or close ang public market nila po. This is to give holiday for the business community, the Chinese community doing business in the market to celebrate the Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year, that will be on January 29 or on Wednesday. Every year talaga ito po. This is what they do every year. And of course, if I'm not mistaken, even you go in other places, not only in the Philippines, but also like Taiwan, we talk about China, Beijing, Hong Kong, Macau, and other places po. Basta mayroon Chinese community, now they will be celebrating definitely this Chinese New Year, this Chinese New Year celebration, the year of the snake. I'm trying to look the lemon leaf, because normally Chinese will take their bath, maligo sila po with this Chinese leaf and put a little bit salt, I don't know what is the name of the salt, and for them it will cleanse you, it will remove negative energies, and it will give you luck. It will give you luck. So ganun po ang tradition nila, ang belief nila po, And yeah, the seal, dami pang tao po, Still a lot of people. Okay. Alright. I was also made to understand, it was reported in our national media outlets that more than 6,000 policemen are on duty tonight or today or during the celebration po, to make sure that the Chinese New Year celebration will be celebrated peacefully, problem-free, and everybody will be safe while we are celebrating this Chinese New Year 2025. All right. So hanggang mamaya pa ito po, Hanggang mamaya pa ito. And of course, if you want to have some dinner, seafood, this is the place po. Cheap seafood, nice. Alright. Naalala ko po, this kind of situation, it reminds me of myself being in Baclaran or in Quiapo po. So, dyan po, sa Recto din po. Ganon talaga ang crowd every night. Problema lang po, the difference is, this is done only once a year. But in the Philippines, it is every night. All right. Okay. There's a lot of stalls here. So, ano po sa palagay ninyo po? Okay din ang Kota Kinabalu, di ba? Nothing to worry. We don't see or all right.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Bakso. Alright. Okay. Kong Si Fa Chai, Chinese New Year. This is how we celebrate or how we prepare for the celebration of Chinese New Year come Wednesday, January 29. And this event po, again, for your information, is organized yearly by Kota Kinabalu City Hall. Kota Kinabalu City Hall. Ang dami po, ang daming tao po, no? You see a lot of people here. Okay, by the sea. Alright. And they will be staying here until later in the evening, midnight, and some will leave the place mga 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. Luckily, the rain stopped. And yeah, all right, the children enjoying life here now. All right, from all walks of life. All right, you can see a lot of people, and yeah. And this is what we call I Love Kota Kinabalu. All right, okay. Let's move forward. And yes, you can see traffic jam. Yeah, I would like to shout out also to Nestor Petrus is watching. Yes, Nestor, good evening to you. And you are now watching the activities here in Kota Kinabalu City. Kota Kinabalu City. Where is Kota Kinabalu City? This is the capital city of Sabah, East Malaysia. All right. Everything is running smoothly. Everything is running smoothly, and of course, what is not running smoothly is the traffic jam. The traffic jam at the heart of Kota Kinabalu City. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You see. Okay, at my left is Hyatt Hotel, Hyatt International Hotel, and of course you can see a lot of restaurant in the area. And this area we call it Sigama Business Complex. Sigama Business Complex. Yeah. Okay. It's a little bit dark here. But yeah, all right. For a while, you see the whole stretch, the whole area of Sigama, crowded with people. Okay, let's move forward again. Let's move forward. At my back, you can see Hyatt Hotel. Kota Kinabalu Hyatt Hotel po. So, ganito po, no? Ang sitwasyon dito sa Kota Kinabalu. Yeah, what I'm showing you is how we prepare. Sino po ito? Kay Jun. Jun, kumusta? Ketalman to Jun. I was made to understand you're in the Philippines. So do you miss this celebration? Tagal na din si Jun dito sa sabihin natin sa Kota Kinabalu. And I don't know, you went home for good or for a holiday. Anyway, sige lang Jun, God bless you and Kong Si Fa Chai. Kong Si Fa Chai, no? Nandito po Jun, nandito ako ngayon sa Sigama area, and tonight, yun na po, no? Tonight is the Tamu Bazaar for the Chinese New Year celebration 2025 sa Sigama po. Nakumpisa ito po dyan sa Mary Jane Hotel, dito sa may Filipino Market, down hanggang dito po sa, sabihin natin, Sigama Complex. Sigama Complex. It's a good exercise. Good exercise. Okay po. Dali, ha? Alright. Tuloy pa rin ang mga pagkain dito po. Ha? Alright. I don't know if you notice. We have a lot of foreign tourists, Asian foreign tourists, and of course, a lot also of domestic tourists. When we say domestic tourists, it means mga Malaysiano din po, mga Malaysian from different states. They are now here on holiday and to celebrate the Chinese New Year, maybe with their relatives. Or maybe they just came here just to look-see what Sabah has to offer. When we talk about Sabah, this is, Sabah, we are promoting ecotourism. So anything about nature, then this is the place for you to come if you want nature. That's why when we talk about Sabah, we are promoting Sabah as ocean deep and mountain high. Ocean deep and mountain high. Why? Because mountain high, because we have this very famous mountain, the tallest mountain in Kota Kinabalu, or in Sabah, or East Malaysia, and that is Mount Kinabalu. Why we call it ocean deep? Because we have our Sipadan diving spot, one of the 10 famous diving spot, scuba diving spot in the world. That's why we are promoting Sabah as ocean deep and mountain high. And of course, also known, ang Sabah is also known as Borneo, north of Borneo. Yeah, I would like to say shout out din muna tayo kay Brad Ismael Dato, who is also watching my program tonight. Si Dato, di mana si Dato? Si Dato di mana? Di KK atau di Johor Bahru? Ha? KK atau di Johor Bahru? So, ito na po. This is it. This is what we call ang Tamu Bazaar, Chinese New Year 2025. And tomorrow is the eve of Chinese New Year, and the following day, that will be Wednesday, that is sabihin natin the grand celebration. You can see enforcement personnel or the policemen roaming around, making sure that everybody or the place is kept peaceful and orderly. Wala tayong problema po when it comes to peace and order dito sa Sabah, because may disiplina ang mga tao dito po, and they truly sabihin natin respect ang enforcement officers natin po, no? Or enforcement personnel. When we talk about enforcement personnel, we are talking about the uniformed men, policemen, soldiers, so forth and so on. So, okay. All right. This is it. Don't forget po, no? On Nick Talk, the Real Talk with Nico, every day po, no? Every day, may blogging tayo po, and one of the reasons why I'm doing this thing, it is because I want to make sure that the Filipinos in Sabah, including Malaysia, no? Especially ang overseas Filipino workers nandito sa Sabah po, you will be updated of what is happening. Not only activities or stories related to the Filipino communities in Sabah or in Malaysia, but also activities involving or related to the security, economy, and of course political stability of the Philippines. So I think this is all for tonight. And maski paano po, I hope I manage in one way or the other, manage to give you a picture on how we welcome the CNY or Chinese New Year celebration 2025. All right, so we're very happy that the weather condition, the rain has stopped, and this is a very good opportunity. Wala nang ulan, and we don't see any flooding in this area, and yeah, it looks everything will run smoothly hanggang mamaya ito po, hanggang tomorrow. And don't forget, tomorrow public markets in Sabah or in Kota Kinabalu will be closed. So, right? Right. So, with this, I think hanggang dito na lang tayo po. No? Hanggang dito na lang tayo, and I hope you enjoyed my program tonight, which I promised since yesterday or since this morning during my morning vlogging, that I will come and feature itong activity dito po sa Hamu Bazaar Chinese New Year 2025 dito po at the heart of Kota Kinabalu City. So once again, sign off na tayo po. Hindi ko pabayaan mo like to say thank you very much for making me a part of your day today. Ingat lang tayo lahat po, no? Ingat lang tayo when we celebrate ang Chinese New Year, the Year of the Snake 2025. With this, Nico would like to say bye and see you tomorrow.